Video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can recover your US Bank ReliaCard account, which means if you guys have created yourself a ReliaCard account on US Bank, you guys can recover it if you forgot your password without knowing your old password by following the step which I'm going to be showing you. First step, you want to search for ReliaCard. Like you just want to search for a bank ReliaCard like this. After you search for it, you want to click on where it says ReliaCard, the first link. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of US Bank ReliaCard. Once you're over here, you want to click on forget user ID or forget password. If you forgot your password, click on forgot password. For user ID, click on user ID. I forgot my password. I'm going to click on forgot password. Once I click on it, it's going to take me to the website where I can recover it. Once I'm over here, I need to enter my user ID. After entering my user ID, basically I click on continue. Once you do that, basically you need to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number or tax ID. After entering that, you're going to click on validate. Once you click on validate, the account which is linked with your user ID and that, last 4 digit number of your SSN, basically it's going to, ask you to change your password. So that's basically it. So that's basically how you guys can change your password if you forgot it. Hope you guys were able to understand.